Alright, in this video I'm going to be replacing the CV axle. Alright, show you what the CV axle's looking like right now. The boot's all tore up. You can hear the bearings when driving. Alright, we'll start by removing the brakes. You'll need to remove your cotter pin. Now this one broke off, you'll need to replace it. Alright, I just replaced my wheel bearings not too long ago, so my axle will slide in and out freely. But yours probably won't. So remove it, put that nut flush, and smack that with a hammer so you don't ruin your threads. I also suggest removing your AB sensor so you don't damage it in the process. It's a 2mm bolt. It just slides out. Pops out. Sometimes make sure you don't lose that. Alright, that just slid out of there. Sometimes you wouldn't even get a pry bar and put behind it to pry it out. But luckily in my case it actually came out pretty easy. Alright, so there's the new one and the old one. The new one comes with a new bolt and new cotter pin. Alright, sorry I didn't get a camera, but also a good thing you need to do is if oil seal on the side of your case, you need to replace that oil seal. Alright, once you've got the splines lined up, it goes on pretty easy. Took me a couple tries to get them lined up. They didn't want to go on, but now that's on, it ain't coming off. You do want to make sure you get that on all the way. Do not force it because you don't want to damage those grooves.
Sensor back on.
All right, now you want to put your rotor on.
Now put the brakes on.
All right, put the wheel back on and that's it. All right, that's it. That's replacing the CV axle on a 2007 Nissan Murano. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.